Babies, stop! This is too dangerous. Look at the other cars. They can accidentally run into you. I know you want to find out what's at the end of this path, but you have to do it in the safe way. Super Truck, I can't wait to see what you're going to transform into. Follow Super Truck, babies! You're so helpful, babies! Well done! Why did you stop, Super Truck? Nice, Super Truck! These will be new street decorations! Okay, let's continue our adventure. Oh, look! It's a treasure chest! This is what we've been looking for! Oh, look! It's Gary! Hi, Gary! Oh no! The balloon is ascending! The chest is going to fall off! Super Truck, use ST3000 to save it! Oh no! It's falling on Gary! Oh, that was close! You're safe, Gary! Well, let's see what's inside. It's a beautiful beach ball. Let's play it. Thank you, Super Truck. You saved the day again. Hi, guys. This looks like fun. I wonder who's going to win this race. Carl, looks like you're going to win. Jerry wins! That's so unfortunate, Carl. But looks like somebody needs Super Truck. Amber has been entertaining babies with soapy bubbles when Marley decided to pull a prank and added hardening liquid to the machine. Now the bubbles don't burst and lift the babies up in the air. You have to save them quickly, Carl.